UPSC aspirants' deaths after drowning at an IAS coaching academy as probe intensifies. We're looking at the SUV driver who was taken into custody for driving past that coaching center. He's been arrested and his bail plea was dismissed yesterday. Now, he's filed yet another bail plea in the Sessions Court. Manoj Kathuria claims that he's being made a scapegoat as the infrastructure collapsed and he's been unfairly blamed for it. He's added that he's not associated with any offence and his role is just speculated by the Delhi police. There is no connection of him with the accident. So far, no MCD official, though, has been arrested in the case. On Wednesday, Delhi High Court has rained fire, questioning the Delhi police, asking them why they've been looking into areas that is not priority, basically arresting a passerby instead of actually arresting the MCD officials who are guilty of these lapses. On 27 July, due to heavy rains, the basement library of Delhi's old Rajendra Nagar was inundated. That killed 3 IAS aspirants who drowned because of lack of drain in that basement and, of course, the poor drainage system on the road. We saw all that water gushing into the basement, and even before the students could react, 3 of them drowned and died.
That the bail application has been rejected. We were very hopeful that Manoj would come back home tonight. None of us want to spend another night in jail for no fault. But we are also at the same time very hopeful because as you all must have seen, the High Court made certain observations and the Honourable Judge 3 times mentioned about a passerby getting arrested. And we know sooner or later this is just a hurdle, and sooner or later justice will prevail.